Good morning, class. Welcome to our Fall 2025 Data 10 online asynchronous 901D class. Welcome once again, and this is your um, Brightspace class. I hope all of you have logged into that. Click on to the Brightspace class, log in, and you will see a few announcements, a welcome announcement. Once again, please make a note. This is a fully online asynchronous class. There are no regular class meetings, meaning people, you should know when you sign up, you have to complete the work by yourself with the help of given demonstration videos and the help. There is also tutoring available. You should be able to contact Mr. Binay, and they should be able to help you. And let's go to the class. This is the first week. I suggest that you converse and you make yourself familiar with the Brightspace class. This week is organized course-wise, but before that, let's take a look at some of the general course information. My name is Daniel Lazarus. I will be your course instructor, and my office is in Meister Hall G10 if you'd like to pop in and say hello. But most of the time, I'm available for you to help on email. My office hours are Tuesday and Wednesday at between 10:30 and 11:30 a.m. Okay. I'm available online and by appointment because I do have 5 classes this semester. If you send me an email, I'll be happy to send you a Zoom link for these office hours, and you can log in at a particular time. Okay. The course details, the course outline is available for you to download and read through the general rules of online discussions, because if you click on this, it tells you the certain things that you have to follow for the online discussions. Okay. Be very kind. Do not use rude words, or do not be off topic, but make sure there are certain rules for online discussions, the 10 rules of online etiquette, or etiquette on the internet. Okay. Then your books are here. Take a look at this. You could click these books. It takes you to the bookstore. I've given you a free link to the bookstore. If you take a look at this for Data 10 901D, this is a customized package that is given for BCC. So once again, I've given you in instructions here, do not buy the books from other students or used sources, because you will not get access to the Microsoft Office on SimNet, because that's where most of our work in this course is going to be done. Okay. If you already have the book, you should have access to SimNet and the books. You don't have to buy the book again. Okay. If you already bought it for a previous semester, that is fine. But if you have used SimNet for any other course, let's say for Business 110 or Data 33, you will still have to buy the book, because these are different books. Even though you have SimNet, but these are different books. Okay. The way that you are being graded in class examinations are 30%, and then you have SimNet, you have 35%, Excel, Word, and Access. You will be doing a lot of coursework on SimNet, and the Excel project will be 5%. You'll be doing projects, and the participatory assignments and discussions is 10%. And the final exam, the exam date is normally given by the registrar. All students have to take the exam at that designated time. Okay, but that's at the last week. Then class participation and attendance, because we do not have regular class for this course, this 5% is actually added to your final exam. So your final exam will actually be for 20% and not 15%. Okay, all right. Okay. And as I told you, there is a academic calendar here. You can take a look at this, even though because we do not have regular classes and we don't meet on campus or online. It may not be relevant to you, but the academic calendar is given to you for fees payments and college closures and withdrawals and examinations, midterm exam, the last day of exam, and so on. Okay, take a look at that. And if you do not have Microsoft Office, because we will need Word, Excel, and Access to complete your work. If you don't have Microsoft Office on your computer, you can download it from here. The details are given here. You will need your CUNY ID for this, so you will have to go and take a look at that. Okay. So you can take a look at this. And if you need any help, please don't email me. I can't help you with that. The TSC, or the Technology Service Center, is actually there to help you with these things. You can call them or email them, or if you're on campus, you could just pop in. I think it's in Roscoe Brown Hall. They should be able to help you in person and install it for you. You don't have to worry about that, okay? But if you're doing it by yourself, you can even call them on the phone and they'll help you to install Microsoft Office. Each CUNY student gets a copy of Microsoft Office, so make use of that and try not to install that in your work computers or in your office. Try to use that. Install it in the computer that you use frequently so you can do your coursework. Okay. So this course is actually organized week-wise. So even though it's an asynchronous class, you are required to complete the coursework by the end of each week. Each week you'll be given certain tasks to complete, and you have to complete those weeks. And because we have 4 weeks of Excel, 4 weeks of Microsoft Word, and 4 weeks of Access, there is no late submissions allowed, or there is no time for us to delay. So you will have to complete each of the weeks. We have around 16 weeks, excluding the first week, and then there is a break for Thanksgiving. We have enough time to complete it. We don't have extra time, so you will have to complete the work on time. Let's take, for example, week 1. This is an introductory week. There's a welcome note, and the tasks for week 1 are given here. Please complete them. For example, purchase your book, sign up to SimNet. Okay. If you click on this, it takes you to a SimNet registration page. If you're not registered already, you can click on this and register. If you already have an account, you could put in your username and sign in, okay? But if you do need help, you can call this technical support and they should be able to help you, okay? I cannot help you with SimNet and the online book because I don't have access to them. But if you do have any questions, I can answer them for you, okay? The things that you have to do this week is you buy the book and sign into SimNet, okay? And then make sure when you buy the book, they'll also give you a registration code. Use that registration code and sign up, okay? There's a registration video here. I've made it for you. It may be from the last semester or the previous semester, but it's exactly the same. Only thing is you will have to select the correct class when you sign up, okay? So when you sign up, you will have to select this class, which is Fall 2025. Here you go. See, this is your class. Fall 2025 Data 10 901D Online Asynchronous Daniel Lazarus. Okay. So this is the class you'll have to select when you sign up. When you sign up, it will say select your class. It will give you a list of all the classes that are on this semester and last semester. So select the Fall 2025 Data 10 901D class. Okay. In case if you have selected the wrong class, please let me know and I can have them change you to the right class. Unless you are in this class, you cannot see these assignments. Okay, these are the first 4 weeks of assignments, 5 weeks actually of assignments. For example, to access your books, you can click on your library. This is after you buy the book and enter the code. Okay, so when you buy the book and you log into SimNet and if you go to the library, you're going to see this Computer Essentials 2023 book. This is the one book we are using. The second book we will be using is this Microsoft Office 365 2021 edition by Nordell. Okay, so these two are the books that we are going to be using. You may see other books because you are doing other courses, like for example, we use this Microsoft Office 365 for Business 110, and you may need Word and Excel for Data 33, but those are not the books that we are using, okay? So you will have to make sure you have Computer Essentials 2023 and Microsoft Office 365, okay? If you don't have the book, that means you have to buy the book and enter the code, okay? To enter the code, buy the book from the BCC bookstore, and they normally give you a code with that. And when you go back to your library, click on your name here, and then go on to products and enter your registration code here and click add my code. This will actually add those 2 books to your library, okay? Right. And I've also given you a contact info here if you need any help with where's the textbooks, course information and details. I've given you the contact information here. I think it'll be here at the bottom. You can contact the customer service for McGraw-Hill, or you can just Google McGraw-Hill uh, customer service, and they should be able to help you with the books. Okay. So let's go. That's week one, and also week one has an online discussion. If you go down, there's an introductory assignment which is graded. This is graded, so you will get grades for this. Follow the instruction guidelines. You will have to prepare a video or an audio introduction of yourself. You can just record it with your cell phone. It has to cover what are your majors, career goals, future educational plans, how familiar are you with Brightspace learning management system, and have you taken any fully online classes in the past, what kind of computer you use, Mac or Windows or anything else. All those have to be there, okay? And you will also have to reply to four other students' introductions, and they can be in text, but your presentation has to be in terms of video or audio. Okay, and please read through the instruction. Every week you'll be seeing what are the tasks you need to complete. So look into that and complete all that. Okay. So if you can, when you sign into SimNet, you're going to see all your assignments. See here, week one. The deadlines will be given here. You'll have to complete the deadlines by then. Okay. I'm giving you shortcuts here. Okay. So when you click on this is chapter 1. You'll have to do all your readings. It's just an ebook. You'll have to complete all your readings and complete the pause and practice exercises. There you go. There are 3 exercises in chapter 1. You don't have to complete any of these projects because you will be doing those projects later on, okay? So you don't have to do them as a part of the weekly exercises. All weekly exercises is until the chapter summary. So you'll have to do all the readings and then complete Excel pause and practice 1, 2, and 3. Okay, there is a detailed video about that, and then you'll have to submit those exercises here in the Dropbox. Excel pause and practice 1-1, 1-2, and 1-3. Okay, there is a video that explains all that here. You can take a look at all the videos. It in detail, it explains it. It may not be from this semester, it's from the last semesters, but the work is still the same. Okay, so each week you will be completing a certain exercise. For example, week 3, you're completing Microsoft Excel chapter 2. So if you go back to your SimNet, you will see there's chapter 2 and the due date is September 14th. So again, click on that, do your readings, and then complete 2-1, pause and practice 2-2, pause and practice 2-3, and then the chapter summary. Once again, you don't have to do all these projects. Only until chapter summary you have to complete each week. Okay, so you may see you don't see anything else. Now this is reading 1. See, if you take a look at this is online chapter 1. This is from the ebook Computer Essentials 2023. Your readings will also be posted here, so make sure that you complete your readings and your exercises. So this course has 2 books. This is the theory book, which covers 13 chapters of your Computer Essentials, and Office covers Excel, Word, and Access. Those are the 3 application softwares we'll be learning for this course. Okay, so we are using 2 books, the theory book Computer Essentials 2023 and the Microsoft Office book for Excel, Word, and Access. Okay, and if you do have any questions, please feel free to let me know. See, the discussion rubric is available here. If you want to know how you're being graded for your online discussions, the discussion rubric is available here. You can take a look at that. Okay, the drop boxes are available for pause and practice exercises, and these will be available only until September 14th. Okay, because I have to be fair to students who submit on time. So I'm just making sure that these drop boxes will become unavailable after the due dates. So you cannot post it. Please do not send me the email attachment of the exercises. I do not accept exercises by email because they have to be through the Dropbox so I can grade them on your SimNet. Okay. If you have any other questions, please feel free to ask me by email. I'm happy to answer you. I'm here to help you, and any kind of help that you need, please contact me. My information is here. Please send me an email. I'll be happy to answer. Just give me a day time. I normally answer within the next 24 hours because I have 5 classes, and but I still make time to answer all your questions and emails. Okay. Please do not jump over the weeks. Try to complete each week, because without completing week 1, I don't want you to go and do week 2 or week 3. Okay. I'm making it available so you can schedule your learning time. I know some of you are working, some of you may have other times in which you want to work, so you could do that. When you have a week off or things like that, you can do 2 or 3 weeks together. I don't mind. But do not jump weeks, and instead of without completing 4, do not complete 6, 7, and 8, and things like that. Okay. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I'm here to help you, and I hope all of you do well in this course. All right, everybody. So once again, welcome to Data 10 Fall 2025 class.